I'm Delisha Easley. I encourage and inspire educators and professionals to live their best day at work every day.
And I want you to think, why did I become an educator? Why am I still working here? Visualize it. Some of you are getting excited about that, right? Because you remember. That is a form of checking in.
I'm passionate about speaking and training educators because we're having over 55% of them leave the profession every year, and that's a problem I'm here to solve.
Delisha's speech today was phenomenal. Burnout is a priority for all of us, but specifically for teachers.
What was I doing to mentally be centered, mentally be at peace? For some of us, it's journaling. For others, is counseling. And we gotta go deep, right? We gotta reach deep to the things that are really inside. And then finding something peaceful to do. Going to just read, sitting by a lake. It's okay to do that. It's okay to do nothing. I want educators to know that they need to check in before they check out. I don't want anyone to quit too early, and in my presentations, I give them strategic strategies on how to do that.
As an educator for over 18 years, Delisha's message on burnout, I can relate to it. I can relate to her, and I'm telling you, for all educators, you need to hear this message.
Organizations book me because I help them increase retention, improve morale, and strategically plan for the future.
That your mission is greater than you. Say, my mission is greater than me.
It's greater than me.
And so today, just remember when we leave here that we change our mind, our heart is transformed, and we are going after our mission.